This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by McCauley. This adorable home has a great yard and is close to everything Kannapolis has to offer. The roof was replaced in 2017 and the HVAC new in 2019. The windows have all been replaced as well. The home has large rooms and has an office too. All tile and hardwood floors. Pull-down attic steps and also a cellar for storage. The detached garage has a workshop and electric, too. The home has been rented for many years so it could be moved right into, but it also has many possibilities to make it a showplace. It is being sold as is. Cellar to do no repairs. For more information, review the details below.